guys, we're out in the Blue Mountains. Hey Don, hey Deb. Well, we're going to Leura Cascades in the Blue Mountains. Everyone seems to have their cameras out. My hair's a mess.
Oh, we're here!
We here! Hey, for the vlog!
Oh, hello there.
Jesse is off the back taking sneaky pictures of everyone. Guys are prepping their shot. Tripods, long exposures. Someone's even dumped their number plates. So, apparently might be in the shot of two people. Am I in your shot? Alright, time to scoot then. So Dylan and I have made our way to kind of the top of the Leura Cascade. Don't know if you can see behind, but that's where it goes down. We're trying not to slip as well. And behind us is a bit of a tunnel. We're in the tunnel at the top of the Leura Cascade. Oh, here's everyone. So, going commando, how you doing? Yeah. Tim and Leo, Tim's waist deep in the water. Looks like it, by the way. Hey, you found your log.
Yeah.
What setting are you doing? Wildflower!
Hey Roydon, stand underneath it.
Yep, great view. Oh, cool. Thanks for the chocolate, Jess. Hey. What do you reckon of the view, Don?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's quite peaceful out here.
Just on a high ledge over the lower Leura Cascades. Blue Mountains. Waterfall, Leura Cascades, Lower Cascades. Say hi, Dylan. Wentworth Falls. Jameson, look out. Change time. So Dylan, what lens changing to?
I'm going from my 18 to 35 to just 70 to 300.
Admiring all the different lenses now.
Yep. So Don, that's a Sigma. What is that?
So this is a Sigma wide. It's a
Yep.
1750.
Sigma wide. Dylan, you got a Nikon 300 telephoto. So Dylan taking the photos. Reflector. Tripod. Nice. We've made it to Wentworth Falls. Look out. Let's go check out the waterfall. Where is the waterfall? Where is the waterfall? Is that the waterfall?
Can you hear it? Yeah.
Is that the waterfall?
Yeah, that's part of it.
Yep. Reflector, selfie game. Boop that selfie. Golden glow. Apparently, we've decided to take photos through each other's viewfinders. And we've lined up all the Canon, or not Canon, all the Nikons, 3 Nikons, a Pentax, some tripods, and benches. Why are we even doing this? So, I guess I was going to say a bit of an unsuccessful attempt in lining up all the viewfinders and all the cameras. I guess that's a bit of a day.
Alright, check out your stuff, guys.
So before we go, we're going to take a group photo and we're going to try something else, lining up all 5 tripods. And the view.
Just look at your own one.
What's everyone setting their timer to? I'm setting mine to 10. Yeah. Testing the self timers.
Are we all ready?
All the beepings. Blue Mountains equals Macca's. Yes, please. Thank you.